Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can write a generic functions in Excel VBA that are also known as reusable functions, and it is the best practices to write a minimum code for your application. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the example what we regularly do. This is the code where you can see that I have written a gender and put items manually over here. Same as with the department, I have added this. And as we are running in the form initialize and form is executed, you can see that I am able to fetch that information in this drop down. I don't have anything for the designation and project because I did not add anything. But what if you now need to add few more departments or designation or project, and you don't want to go to this form again and again and want to write that code? So to do that, we can do like I have just created a separate Excel sheet named as a parameter, and you can see that I have created 4 different columns: gender, department, project, and designation. You can create as many as you want in this. Okay, and in a VBA code, instead of writing this line of code, I'm just going to write something like this. Okay, here you can see I have 4 line of code, and this is not 4 line of code, it is just a single line of code. Each and every combo box has its own line. Okay, so here this is the function name, load combo from parameter. I will just show you in a second. Okay, and this is the control name that you want to append it, and this is the column name that we have used in our Excel sheet. These are the headings. Okay, so now what is this combo box? Let me run first of all and then we will see. You can see that this 4 line of code is going to help us to get all this drop down information in a system. Okay, so you don't have to repeatedly put a manual input there. But where is this function? We have created separate module over here, and you can see this is the generic function over here, that is reusable function, and you can use this function anywhere in any of your projects and it will work the same as you have seen. Here we are accepting a combo box item, okay, as a control, and the header name from the sheet. We are having a few variables over here to read that information from that particular column to the last values, and this is the parameter sheet name that we are using. Here we have mentioned that the header row starts from row 1. The rest of the program is very simple. We are just first of all finding the header from that particular sheet with this 2 line of code. Once it is found, if it is not found, then we will just give a message that this header is not there and user has to update that value. But if there is some column index found, then we are just clearing the combo box, whatever we have passed from there. It is a gender, department, or anything. We just clean it and then reading the last row of that particular column using this line item. Okay. Next is simple. We are just reading the values from that cells and just appending that values over here. So this function is only going to be written once. You can call this function as many as time in your function, in your events, or anywhere. Hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment what you think about the generic functions in VBA or any of the programming language and how useful they are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for such kind of videos. Thank you for watching.